Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Python on your Windows 11. So open any web browser and type Python and open this official link python.org. Click on get to download. So this is the latest version for Python for Windows 3.11.2. So just click here download and wait till this downloading process will be complete. Now open this setup file. Now check this box, then click on install now. Also you can add python.exe to path. So check this box, then install it. Select install now to install Python with default settings. Also you can choose customize to enable or disable features. So if you want to install with default settings, so just click on install now. If it will ask permission, so click on yes. So you can see setup was successful. Now exit and restart your system. So this way you can download and install Python on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.